Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a spectacular day. We've got the sun, we've got Central Park 200 feet behind Woody, and that is the Millbrook Mansion up for sale at $15 million at 24 West 71st Street at almost 9,000 feet. When this house was built in 1888, they were 50 years easy ahead of their time. The level of detail in this house is spectacular. Let's go check it out. So let's start with the front of the house. This entire granite facade down to the steps leading into the detail of this door. This is the front door of the house. This door at one point wasn't even here, and the owners tracked this door down and brought it back because it was built with the house in 1888. I played stoop ball on a stoop like this in Brooklyn. It didn't look like this, and it wasn't attached to this house. Check this out. Come on. The level of detail that was built into this house is just magnificent. From the quartered and rifted oak paneling, the coffered ceilings all throughout this house in different areas are just incredible. The floors, I would never rip out these floors. The detailing and the patterning and the stenciling, it is just exquisite. So there's some updating to do here. There's some lighting changes to do on this parlor level. In our plan, we're taking the small kitchen that's at the back of the house and moving it downstairs, and I'll take you down there in a minute. But you have to appreciate the level of craftsmanship and artisanship that was built into this house. They were so ahead of their time. Let's go check out some more details. So now we're on the master floor of this house. There's a full master library and sitting room at the front of this house. The master sleeping chamber is just ridiculously large with a full fireplace. His and hers separate bathrooms, cedar-lined closet for the dressing room. It's unbelievable. The scale is fantastic. The ceiling heights are fantastic. And the window going out from the master bedroom looking out onto the backyard is phenomenal. That's what's going on at this house. So there's a detail in this house that I wanted to show you because it's just so cool. The stair from parlor level all the way up has a skylight right at the top, so the sun is pouring in here. The quarter paneling is gorgeous throughout. The stair is wide, but there's a detail. Check this out. You want to figure out how to get furniture up these stairs? Just take out the top of the detail. That's what they were thinking when they built this house. It's magnificent. Let's go down to the kitchen. Cool. All right, so we've shown you all the details that are original to this house. Now let's start talking about 2018 plans and 2018 details. The main floor here, the kitchen floor that blows right through to the front of the house and right outside to the backyard is where we've put our plan together. Absolutely build a phenomenal kitchen, family room, elevator's already intact. We're taking the lower level of this house. In that plan, we're making it into a yoga studio, great gym, great play space for the kids. The scale, again, I keep saying it, but the scale of this house is fantastic and everything flows right out to a gorgeous backyard, and the sun today is pouring into the back. Let's go check it out. So that's 24 West 71st Street. It's a George Vanderplug listing from Douglas Elliman, and it is a spectacular house at almost 9,000 feet. This project is far from overwhelming. Primarily two main floors that are going to be brought up to 2018 family standards, and you've got a crazy amazing house. That's what's going on here. We included the math, we included the plans in this week's pre-sale proposal. The sun's here, the weather, we got it back. Have a great week. We'll see you next week with the next pre-sale proposal. Have a great week, everybody. Bye-bye.